This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning, guys. July 22nd, 2019. I'm here. I got a call for an AC system. A couple of them that are not working properly. I asked her about the filters. The filter on the first floor, they don't know how to take it out, so I don't know how bad that one's going to be. We'll go check that out. Check to make sure the filters are okay and the fan's running inside. Give it the old, how you doing outside, check the charge, see what's going on with it. There's a couple of systems there that just says a questionable or not working or whatever. We'll get it figured out. Condensate pump's not shutting off. I just shut this thing down. I had the homeowner go wash the filter. It's a washable one. But I gotta get another pump for this thing. It's not pumping. Unless the line's blocked. Line could be blocked too. We'll see if the line's blocked. You ready? The line's blocked. So I gotta give it the old how you doing on that line, it looks like. Shit. Give it the old how you doing on the line. Alright guys, this particular gun here, it's got threads. My other one doesn't have the threads. But this one's got the threads, so we'll screw it in. See if we'll give it the old Gundy. Oh, blew the line. Okay. I blew the line up top there. Blew it right off. There's a blockage there. I could hear it blow. Give me the old golden shower.
Oh boy.
I don't know where that line goes. Yeah, it blew apart, so that's all clean now.
Yeah.
Alright. You got a ladder down here, a chair or something I could get? You got a ladder right there. Got a little ladder.
Oh, this is okay. So is it frozen?
Well, no, it popped off right there, so I'm going to try to blow that part out.
Oh, okay. I don't know what happened because...
Well, it's low and freon, obviously,
yeah,
if it's freezing up.
Yeah. That's probably what... And we were away, and we kept it at the same temp, about 74. It wasn't too low or anything.
No, if it's low on freon, what will happen is it will...
Yeah, that's probably the problem.
Probably. If the filter's not dirty and the fan's running... Alright, there we go. We'll try it again. Blew apart up top here. Guy didn't even put no connectors, he just stuck them together. Alright, let's see what we got here. Yeah, so it blew apart right there and I blew it out. Let's see if it works now. can see it go up, so.
Yeah.
Well, not really. See it right there, it's struggling.
Yeah.
I think I need a new pump.
It's just not working correctly.
Well, it's not lifting it up enough, I don't think. See it right there?
Yeah, I see what you're talking about.
It's not got enough of a lift to it. This is full of slime. Could be. We'll take it outside, take it apart, and give it a rinse with the hose. Got a couple. One more screw. We should be able to take it apart and see what it looks like in there. Oh, there it is. See, it's all full of shit in there, Mama. The pump thing. Not designed to come out of there, see it? She needs a new pump, looks like that. Looks like that shoulder on that thing is kind of worn out. It's supposed to have a flat on the shaft there for that pump. So we'll put a new pump in. We'll give it a new pump job, see what happens. Flipping things kinda. Give it the old Gundy here. Alright, you gotta pull this out for it to work. And we'll fill it and we'll see what happens. Fill it with some water. She's pumping down. I just want to make sure that there's no leaks in the ceiling. Alright, so I got it pumping. I don't see any water leaking through the ceiling anywhere, so I'll give it one more. So that's working now. We got this filter washed. We're gonna have to go check the charge on the unit. She did wash it. That's the bottom. a washable one, which is nice. It's a weird size. Anyway, 21 inch or something like that. 21 by 21. 22. 20 by 22 and a quarter. That's a weird size. Alright, we got a new pump. And we blew that line out. I think she got it just on fan upstairs. I told her to do that. First floor one. Ooh, I don't know. It seems nice and cold. I don't think it was icing up. But it was just that pump was a problem. I told her to shut these two off. We're going to check this one. I don't think that's a problem. That's nice and cold. We'll check it. You can see this coil's nice and clean. This coil's been cleaned a couple of times. It's not really dirty. Now, superheat on a day like this, you're probably around 20, but you can see the suction pressure is low, 64, so it's a little bit overcharged. This is lower than I like to see. That's higher than I like to see. Shows you overcharged, but if you take some out, this is going to drop. This is going to drop down too low and it'll ice up. So I'm going to leave it right there. It's a first company unit inside. This is a Rudd unit. I was here, I think, last year, and I did clean these coils good with the hose. See, they're not all. I had taken these all apart, cleaned them last year or the year before. So that's fine right there. We're going to leave that right where it is. .64 on a suction. I'll show you what that is on the coil. 64 on a suction is only 37 degrees. So 58 would be 32. Freezing, right? So anything below 60 on 22 on a suction, you got to be worried about it icing up. Leave that right there. Alright guys, the other two are fine. I mean, they're working fine. It went to it was 100 degrees here over the weekend. They've been working fine, so. That was the one that was questionable, but it was flooding downstairs because of condensate pump. So let me pick up my tools and get out of here.